So you are at Miller County, Missouri, outside of Eldon, at the Hardesty apiary, and I'm Travis, and my lovely bride is Miriam, is behind the camera. And so this is our bee therapy hut, and built this last fall, and as a little respite from the world and all of its fast turnings, and to help with you can go to the East Europe, such as Ukraine, Slovenia, Poland, and the families have had these a bee therapy hut on their farm and in their apiaries for hundreds of years. And so the idea is that you lay down and sleep with the bees. If you'd like to take a nap, you don't have to sleep, but you enjoy their aroma, the vibrations, the sound of 3 bee colonies. If you look in the front, you'll see that there's 3 entrances. And for you non-beekeepers who are watching this, the colors and the different shapes are so the bees can identify their entrance quickly and easily. So there are 3 colonies that come and go out of those entrances, and then the therapy occurs inside. And so you enter the hut, and there's a bed. The total width of this is just 4 foot by 7 foot. Well, it's 7.5 feet. So obviously this is where you could just lay down. There's enough room in here for a couple people. And so we will show you, if you'll come in and you can see what it looks like. Whenever the therapy is going on, these will obviously be removed. And then you can use the cushions if you like, or you can just remove one cushion if you want. But as you can see, there's windows on each side of you, and it smells like bees in here. And so that'll be unusual for people who don't have bees or work bees, but for us it's very soothing, and those who've come and have tried it so far have really enjoyed it. Now, it just happened last October, so we have not gone through the springtime yet, when all of the pollen and nectar is coming in, and the colonies are filled up with brood and drying nectar and all of that. So we're really looking forward to the full effect later this spring. Since this is new to us, we don't know of anybody who's ever, personally don't know them, but there are about 5 other bee huts in North America that I know of, and so this would be number 6. That doesn't mean that someone doesn't have them that doesn't advertise, that you can't do a Google search on. Certainly you won't find this one right now if you do a Google search, but it's open to friends and family just to come in and to enjoy. And we've had people that have already came last when the weather was nice back in the fall, that found it very appealing, and it was needful for them in their life situation. So that's what we built it for. So I'll now show you what it looks like and how it's arranged from a beekeeper's perspective.